Next, let us talk about the concept of transfer of learning. Transfer of learning means that the knowledge or skills that are learned in one context may be transferred or applied in new contexts as well. For example, when I was a kid, I learned how to ride a bicycle. I learned how to balance, how to go through traffic. And later on, when I was learning how to ride a motorcycle, then I could transfer some of my knowledge and skills from riding a bicycle to learning how to ride a motorcycle. Now, transfer of learning can be positive, negative, or neutral. For example, the knowledge and the skills that I learned while riding a bicycle definitely helped me in a positive way when I was trying to learn how to ride a motorcycle. That was a positive transfer because it was helpful. In India, the driver sits on the right side of the car and we drive on the left side of the road. So, my knowledge and skills of driving a car in India are negatively affecting my ability to drive a car in the US, because in US the driver sits on the left side of the car and they drive on the right side of the road. So my Indian knowledge, skills and experience is actually hindering it in a negative way. So that is negative transfer. And neutral transfer means my existing knowledge and skills, if they are not affecting my new knowledge or skills, then there is no interaction, there is no effect. So that is neutral. Now this transfer of learning is explained by two main theories. The first one is E.L. Thorndike's theory of identical elements. For example, if I can drive a TVS scooter, then I can also drive a Honda scooter because both of them are identical. Both of them have the same kind of accelerator, the same kind of brake, both of them look similar as well. So there is identical elements between these two. And Charles Judd's theory of a generalization of experience talks about this transfer on a more higher level. He says that in general, if there is a similarity between the previous situation and the new situation, or the previous context and new context, then there is a transfer of learning that happens. For example, if I can ride a two-wheeler, then I can ride any two-wheeler because in general, there are a lot of similarities between these two. So that is transfer of learning.